As per the previous weekly outlook, EURUSD completed the bearish correction, and for this week, a strong buying possibility might come with a range breakout. The EURUSD pair showed an amazing bullish recovery and formed a stable daily candle above the psychological 1.090 key resistance level. Moreover, the price regained the bullish momentum above the 1.092 level, which is a 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level from 1.063 to 1.101 swing. The buying pressure is potent on the weekly time frame as the price shows a stable momentum above the 20 and 100 period simple moving average level. Meanwhile, no clear direction is visible from the 200 period SMA level, but a dynamic mean reversion is possible towards the upside. On the other hand, the momentum indicator shows a positive level, while the relative strength index showed an indecisive momentum at the 58.00 level. A bullish breakout is clearly visible in the daily chart. The dynamic 20-day simple moving average level shows a bullish crossover at the flat 100-day SMA. Technical indicators show a bullish possibility, while momentum is struggling to breach the 100 level. As the current price is trading above the 1.093 level, we may consider the current market trend as bullish, where the main aim is to test the 1.100 level. On the other hand, the downside possibility is potent, but a valid break below the 1.082 level is needed before aiming for the 1.074 support level.